Da 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 da.
So we think salads are boring or even expensive or even for weight loss, then this video is definitely for you. Hi, my name is Nutritionist CLAUDIA, and today I'll be taking you through how to make a simple lettuce salad with ingredients you can find at home.
These are the ingredients we'll be using for our salad: the green bell pepper, the tomato, and then the carrots. The egg, and then the lettuce. So this is what we'll be using. So we all know that tomatoes gives us freshness and vitamins, and carrots and green pepper gives us antioxidants. And so I'm going to wash my vegetable with salt water to remove any germ or dirt in it. And also with my carrots, you can see that I'm not peeling off its skin because it's been researched that the skin contains more nutrients than the. I'm shredding my lettuce and also cutting my carrots as well. So these are the final ingredients after washing and cleaning them properly for my salad. So I'm just layering the lettuce and the vegetable so that I can mix them well properly and to incorporate the other ingredients into them. Did you know that yogurt is good for strengthening your bones and teeth as well? Yes, it also boosts your immune system as well.
Da 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 da.